Technology becomes the avenue for access to learning for a lot of our students with individualized needs. And if we begin collaborating from the beginning, then we have an opportunity for us to talk about how that fits and could benefit all of our learners.
We have a lot of people that are all working together to make technology work for kids. We know that the work that we do often can become siloed. We get into the work and keep doing what's right in front of us. The problem with that is that we don't see in other people's lanes. The SITES framework offers opportunity for district teams to collaborate and have those conversations so that all students with disabilities being supported in Gen Ed can have the supports, scaffolds, and tools they need to be and feel successful.
One of the things the SITE framework does, because it brings people together, it helps foster relationships. And with relationship building, there's greater awareness, there's better problem solving. It's sort of like the first step in this wonderful path to make things better for students in every way.
The SITES experience is about having a partner to help build the momentum around assistive technology. So getting someone to ask those really critical research-based questions, going through the experience of self-assessing, calibrating, and reflecting, and then not just saying, well, here's an area of growth, good luck, but SITES has that knowledge and experience to come forward and say, well, you've identified this as an area of growth. Here is a key conversation you should be having. Here are some people that really need to be at the table for this conversation.
I would definitely say, because we've had stronger collaboration with our EdTech, assistive technology, Gen Ed, and IT, it has given our assistive technology department so much more time to be able to work in meaningful ways, and specifically work with students with really complex needs, which we didn't always have that time for, and also create community partnerships.
Because of the SITES name, because of the CAST name, because of the amount of research and vetting and credibility that comes along with these organizations, I felt confident saying they're not going to lead me astray. If I follow these guidelines, if I follow these suggestions, if I tune in for these SITES tips, I'm going to get going in the right direction.
And, it's just really raising the bar in learning. So I would definitely say there's a direct correlation between the better collaboration we're having and student outcomes, particularly for those with special needs. Like our instruction, our curricula is so much better as a result of that.
So if you think that you could benefit from a little more collaboration or some really intentional conversation starters, grab a colleague and go check out the SITES website, sites.cast.org. Take a look at the framework, the different practices, and see where your district could get started.